for her, Mommy. And we putting that in. Just the cake and the milk in.
You put the cake and the milk, now the oil.
The oil. That's all the use.
Now we have to do eggs.
Eggs. I don't do eggs. So I don't do the eggs and the sprinkles. And so I don't do the eggs by myself. And I want to do it by myself. I'm really supposed to. I want to do this one.
Okay, wait. Ready? We have to, wait. We have to hit it here. Oh.
Okay, we need to mix it like one more. Two more. I will do this one right here. So I want you to do just do today.
Ready? We gotta hit it. Wait, we gotta hit it some more. Okay. Wait, we can't get the shell in there, right? We only have to get what's inside the egg.
Oh. Now I want to put the
Oh, wait. Hold on. Okay, one more.
I want you to do this by yourself.
Okay.
I did the harder. Because I'm big muscle.
You have big muscles?
Yeah. Now we need to do the sprinkles.
No, baby, the sprinkles are after when the cake is all done.
Oh,
We
I
still
want
have to bake
do
it.
the mixing.
Now we have to mix it, but we're going to mix it with a mixer.
The mixer. I want to do it in the mixer. But you don't want to know big one.
It's a big one. Mommy has to do it a little bit first.
Take
And
the
then-
me.
Yeah.
I have to do the mixer, yeah.
Okay.
And you do tea. What? This is for mixing?
Yeah. Baking the cakes for whose birthday is it?
Mommy.
No, mommy's what?
Mommy.
Mommy's mommy?
Yeah.
And she's your what?
My grandma.
Your grandma. And where is she?
Heaven. Put in.
Alright, let mommy start it. What, you scared? My mom and grandma used to always make this for me. Now John made it for me. Well, he just made the eggs. Because I don't know how to make eggs.
I hand cut those french fries too.
And you know I made eggs the other day? You were sleeping? I think it was raw. Because I had a stomachache of it. I just iced the cake. I was recording, but I didn't hit record.
But I'm on the board. But I'm on the board, Avery. You're not on the board. But
Us
I'm
is
on
just
the
putting the
board.
sprinkles on the cake. You want to help, Phoenix?
No.
Avery, you have to put a lot at a time, not one at a time. We'll never get out. You gotta go like this.
I can help. I'm gonna do it. I want to stick it.
We'll stick more than one at a
Can
time.
I help?
Yes, Bubby.
I want to help with the sprinkles.
Okay, grab some sprinkles. Whose cake is this for?
For your mommy.
Yeah, where is she?
And heaven. Ow!
No, I got it. Whose cake is this?
Your mommy. I help go to the heaven.
She's in heaven.
Yeah, but to drive the car.
She drives a car? She probably drives a car. You're helping decorate her cake?
Yeah, for your mommy.
Yeah, what about her 53rd birthday?
But who's not doing at home? At our home.
No, because she's in heaven, right?
Yeah, I don't know how I feel.
She's in heaven looking down on us.
No more sprinkles.
Oh, God, the floor. Thank God I haven't vacuumed yet.
No more sprinkles. No more.
First piece goes to... She couldn't wait. Right? Look good?
Now that's like a donut.
It does look like a donut.
That's like a circle and like the O and like a donut. And that is like a piece of the donut.
Why don't you eat some of the cake, not just the frosting? Look at that. He's building around her. We have to keep passing her muffins. Oh, you guys are funny. You putting Avery in a box? Is she your assistant? So it looks like she's your assistant. You guys are silly. Oh, you pass her another muffin? You gotta feed your assistant. Give her the muffin. Whoa, don't fall. You better stand still. If you fall, your brother's gonna be real upset. He's not gonna be laughing.
I don't want to sit here by myself, Daddy.
You're not by yourself. We're all right here. The new thing is she doesn't want to be by
I
herself.
want to sit here by the bed after you do bye-bye.
Okay.
I'll get to F.
What, are you gonna go higher up?
Yeah, higher and higher.
I think that's too high, Avery.
Higher and higher. I can't do it. Whoa! This one's very put it on here.
I think that's too high.
That one's too high.
Yeah. Okay, let me see.
It's broken.
All right.
Hey, let me one more pieces to get up here.
No, I think that's big enough. Look at mommy. Avery.
Please. But I want you to do it bigger.
Bigger? Oh.
We broke our house. Oh my God.
That's Grandma's. All right, go ahead. No. I got it.
Avery, Grandma got a match?
You got 3 of them, right? Yeah, or we could go to sleep, either one.
You 4.
Follow me. 4, we don't have it.
One finger. I'll do 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. Here. Put this. I want to do the 9. Okay. Here you go.
That was so nice of you, brother.